I'm Alishia Jones, and as an independent Choffy distributor, I'm going to be showing you today one of my favorite ways to brew Choffy. Okay, so first things first, this is a bag of Mambaramo. It is my favorite blend of Choffy. It has a deep, rich, dark chocolate flavor, and I absolutely love it. This is a bag of La Española, which is delicious as well. And there is also a bag that I don't have in front of me, and that is the Ivory Coast. All the blends are great. As of course, I'm blending my favorite, so that's Mambaramo. Also, we have a metal filter. This metal filter I got from my coffee maker at a local store, and it only cost me $5. So they're really easy to come by, and they make the brewing experience really, really valuable and tasty when you are brewing in a coffee maker. This, of course, is your scoop that you would use in order to scoop out the delicious Choffy and put it in the filter. This is the vanilla creamer that I'm going to use, the French vanilla creamer. It always brings out the best chocolate flavor as far as I'm concerned. And of course, you need your cup in order to drink it. Okay, so now I'm going to get my favorite bag, my favorite blend of Choffy, which is the Mambaramo. By the way, it's from Papua New Guinea. And I'm going to go ahead and open this up. And it is sealed airtight, so you can just, smell the deliciousness. And it really smells like brownies to me. That's the first thing I noticed when I opened my first bag of Choffy. And I'm going to be serving 8 cups of Choffy, as I have some friends here with me. And so what I need to do is put 4 scoops, heaping, I'm going to put a little bit more here because I like mine kind of strong. And then of course I seal the bag up as airtight as possible to keep it really, really nice and fresh. And then I'm going to go ahead and of course put this into the coffee maker. Pour my 8 cups of water in. Okay, so now after I poured the 8 cups of water in, I of course turned it on. And if you have the selection on your coffee maker to make a strong brew, I suggest that you go ahead and make it a strong brew. And we're going to go ahead and let this brew, and then we're going to taste our delicious, delicious cup of Choffy. Okay, so now that our Choffy has brewed, I'm now going to pour a delicious cup of Choffy. So now I'm going to pour the French vanilla creamer into my delicious cup of Choffy. Oh, this is so good. I love Choffy. It is so good for you. The theobromine in it helps you have a nice and steady energy. And what I like about it too is it is a mood lifter. So this is just delicious. It is bliss in